Today I am attempting to make Kachava pudding. 1 can of coconut milk, Trader Joe's, yellow label only. Chai seeds, I had about 2.5 scoops. Dandelion and milk thistle mix. Collagen, and of course Kachava. For a little extra substance, I added some bananas. I'm gonna add a little bit of water here. Allow this to sit for a while so it can hydrate before you actually mix everything. You see how thick it's gotten? That's what you want. Okay, so this is what I've added. I want you to see, this is the measuring scoop for the collagen. I added 3, and this one is for the Kachava. I added 2. This one is a bigger scoop, and it was heaping scoops. And then I added 1 of these, just so you have an idea. I normally don't measure anything. And then I just put some cinnamon, as much or as little as you like. And now we're gonna get to blending. It is done. Now I'm just going to add it. You see the consistency? It gets a little bit more solid, if you will, once you put it in the refrigerator. I will say you don't need to add any kind of sugar, any sweetener whatsoever to this. It's good just the way it is. You can also substitute and add like raspberries if you choose instead of bananas, etc. You get the idea. Here you have it. This makes for a nice little dessert. I normally make this when I have a craving for something sweet because I eliminate sugars from my diet. So this is a nice, makes me feel like I'm getting something like a bar chocolate or whatever. So you may want to give this a try. Thank you for watching and have a great day.